GD Express Sdn Bhd was formed in 1997 to provide express delivery service for both the domestic and international markets. It operates a network of 96 stations comprising 59 branches, 2 affiliate stations and 41 agents throughout the East and West Malaysia. GDX has a fleet of more than 280 trucks and vans used primarily for hauling of documents and parcels between the stations and the national hubs for local pickups and deliveries. GD Express Carrier Berhad was established in 1997 and it headquartered in Petaling Jaya, Selangor, Malaysia. It is an investment holding company which engages in the provision of express delivery, express carrier and logistics services. The company operates through the following segments, which are express delivery and logistics. Its products and services include domestic express carrier, international express carrier, customized logistics solution, logistics services and GDX Prepaid. GD Express has grown steadily, spanning over 150 stations in Malaysia and Singapore. Be explaining the core business of GDX. GDX Group's core business can be divided into two segments, which are express delivery service and the customized logistics solution provider. The products and services offered by GDX are domestic express carrier, international express carrier, customized logistics solution, logistics services, enhanced liability coverage, and GDX Prepaid. The vision of GDX is a team of caring and passionate people, an organization of sound values and dynamic processes, empowering its customers with value for money, effective solutions, and contributing to the well-being of the community, a leading role model in the logistics service industry. The mission will be to deliver the most trusted and professional express carrier service in the countries we operate. Slogan will be delivery service you trust. Now I will be explaining the current performance. Based on the industry performance report published by the Malaysian Communications and Multimedia Commission (MCMC), GDX is ranked one of the top 10 courier service provider in the country. Its market share has grown more than 6% of the total express market and more than 15% of the total domestic market in 2013.
A very good morning to Doctor. My name is Elisha, daughter of Johnson, and my metric number is 267923. Today, I will talk about material handling equipment, which is also known as MHE. Material handling equipment is a mechanical equipment used for movement, storage, control, and protection of materials and goods. This handling equipment is divided into three main categories, that is, transport equipment, position equipment, and storage equipment. Transport equipment is used to move one material from one location to another location. Example of equipment is power pallet truck, forklift, conveyors, and so on. Next, positioning equipment. Positioning equipment is used to handle materials at a single location. Example of equipment is a balancer, manipulator, and also tilt tables. Lastly, storage equipment. Storage equipment is used in holding materials in one place for over a period of time. Example of equipment is storage racks.
Hi, my name is Nurhanis. My metric number is 262514. I will present about inbound activities in GDX warehouse. Inbound is the transportation and storage of goods entering a warehouse and also receiving goods from inbound parties. Inbound consists of several processes including receiving, put away and storage. First, receiving. Receiving process involves the transfer of ownership of goods. GDX will take into consideration every aspect of the receiving process. The supplier must adhere to packaging specifications such as label, location, label detail, pallet cargo, number of packages per pallet, goods per barcode, and the size and weight of the goods. GDX employees also manage barcode, ID scanning, receiving documentations, and pallet management activities. Secondly, put away is a warehouse process involving the movement of goods from the receiving dock to the warehouse storage area. GDX also use bulk handling equipment to facilitate the handling of large quantities of items. The use of bulk handling equipment can speed up the process of cargo storage. Cargo is easily detected, the safety of item is guaranteed, and warehouse space utilization is maximized. Lastly, storage is the process of storing goods in the most appropriate and accurate storage space. GDEC uses a pallet rack system for storing goods in its warehouse. The storage equipment is streamlined and efficient because it can protect items from damage. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Maizatul Akmal binti Muhammad Shahar. My matric number 267819. Okay, today I'm going to present outbound activities. Outbound activities refer to the tasks and activities involved in delivering products to the end user. As we know, people who have served relatively downstream, such as the last party in the supply chain, are usually assigned to such logistic tasks. Outbound activities also refer to transporting manufactured goods to their final destination. Storage of manufactured inventory, shipping and handling are both part of a process of delivering certain items to the end user. The removing of items from storage in order to satisfy a specific demand. It is the most basic service a warehouse provides to customer, and it is the basis for most warehouse design. Regarding to the GDEC company, firstly, the product picked from their assigned inventory location by GDEC, and inventory count update to ensure accurate stock level. Next, the picking process is costly and can affect customer satisfaction. Okay, sorting can begin after a certain amount of order have been collected and the matching good has been picked. The GDF staff identify item on a convenience system and direct them to a specific destination during sortation. Okay, second point is sorting also is the solution. And GDEC is the best way to maximize the efficiency of their material flow. Picking refer to a product physical container or wrapping. After the picking process, packing could be done as an optional step. In GDEC company, they provide complete warehousing, packing and distribution facilities. GDEC also offer packing service to ensure that the customer shipment is well protected. Shipping is the last step of the warehouse process and starting the journey of the goods from the warehouse to the customer. After the correct order has been sorted and loaded, it is dispatched to the appropriate customer, travel via the correct transit mode, and arrive in good condition and on time is considered successful. GD Express proudly offer the first domestic express courier liability coverage solution to those worried about delivering their valuable shipment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wa'amir bin Morosli. My matric number is 265016, and today I will explain about the reverse logistic. So the definition of reverse logistic is the polar opposite of traditional supply chain management, which means the products are returned to seller or producer from the end consumer. So the objective of this process is to save money on storage and delivery, boost its credibility, meet customer demands, and build a more sustainable supply chain. So next I will explain about the reverse logistic activities of GDEC. So the reverse logistic activities of GDEC have 5 main activities, which are retrieve, transport, receive, inspect and sort. So the first activity is retrieve, which GDEC will go to customer house to collect the faulty or broken products from customer. And then the second step is transport, which GDEC will transport the products that has been collected from customer back to the manufacturer. And the third is receive, which manufacturer will receive the products from GDEC and start to repair the products. And the fourth is inspect, which the fixed products will go into the screening for quality check. And the last is sort, which we can resell, recycle, scrap and others.
Now, I will talk about the safety and security aspects. GDEC's safety and security aspects focuses on 3 main aspects. Those aspects are security handling, mailing room handling, and also project handling. Security handling. GDEX automated and optimized system is well managed. It also documents every handling procedures and tracks shipments from pickup to delivery. Mailing room handling. GDEX provides services by stationing its own personnel in its client's mailing room to manage their mail operations. And lastly, project handling. GDEX offer full service in warehousing, packaging and also delivery. They also provide the customers with custom-made reports.
So next I will explain about the recommendation. The first recommendation is GDEX should use a pickup or drop-off facility near customer, which to reduce the reverse logistic cost. And the second is GDEX should use a router planner apps, which to improve reverse logistic. And the third is GDEX should provide a proper packaging and label to customer, which to make a reverse logistic process more streamlined and convenient. So in conclusion, GDEX has advanced its operation over the last 10 years by making hundreds of small yet substantial changes per year. The biggest challenge for GDEX right now is attracting and retaining a well-trained dedicated workforce, which need to be solved, as right now the demand for express delivery has risen dramatically, which increase the competitiveness among courier company in Malaysia. So therefore, GDEX must improve more in every aspect to become more competitive in future.